There's one more on page 443, checkpoint 6, letter C. So this one's a little bit involved. I'll make sure I have all my coefficients right. This is 1/4 log base b of x minus 2 log base b of 5 minus 10 log base b of y. Now, first thing to notice is we have 3 terms this time, which is a little tricky, but they all are the same base, which is good, which means we should be able to condense them into one term. So I'm going to start with the power rule. Do not do any of your combining or condensing, product or quotient until the coefficients are 1. We do that by making it the exponents, right? So this is log base b of x to the 1/4 minus log base b of 5 squared minus log base b of y to the 10th. Good? Now we can actually simplify this. This went on a slant. I'll try to keep it straight. We can simplify these 2 terms before we do anything else. So this will be log base b, the 4th root of x, because that's how a 4th fraction works, right? Minus log base b of 25 minus log base b y to the 10th. So now we've got it all kind of as clean as possible. Now this is going to be 2 cases of the quotient rule because there's 2 subtractions. But really what we're going to do is we're going to factor out this minus sign from these 2 to make it a little more possible. So rather than doing this minus this and then dividing again, we're just going to simplify in this way. So it'll be log base b, the 4th root of x, minus, and then I'm going to factor out the negative from both of these. And I'm going to put it right here. So this is actually going to become log base b of 25 plus log base b of y to the 10th. You see that? Because minus minus comes out. I like undistribute, I factor to get it into a plus. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the product rule here and then the quotient rule when I'm done. So this will be log base b, the 4th root of x, minus, plus means product, so it's this times this. So this is log base b of 25 y to the 10th. I can't simplify that or evaluate that because it's just a variable. And then now I do my quotient. So log base b, the 4th root of x divided by 25y to the 10th. My inclination is to put this in parentheses. You don't have to, I just think it looks a little prettier. So we go from 3 terms, all with different coefficients and varying variables and things, into 1 term, and that's because they have the same log base, which allows us to do that.